Welcome to Cardington, and yeah, a lot of work done today by the look of it. The other door is well and truly stripped, nearly as much as this side now. Let's see if I can zoom in for the detail. Absolutely pouring down the rain here, so I don't want to get the phone too wet. There we go. It's stripping taking quite a lot off. They're working up there at the minute. That must be horrible up there at the moment. It's terrible weather. Zoom out again. Yeah. There we go. Nearly fully stripped doors. A couple more good days and that'll be completely finished. Right, okay guys, that's the video diaries for today, the 14th of May 2013. Nearly forgot that. And time for me tea. Okay guys, cheers.